It's that time of the month. It's Ipsy time. Ipsy time. Okay, today we are talking about the August 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. These bags were gifted to me, so thank you very much to Ipsy for these bags. I'm really excited. I do these videos every month, you guys, and I always have a really fun time. I love Ipsy. It's a great subscription service. So let's go ahead and dive into the August bags. I will have everything linked down below. All of the products, the bags, information about the bags if you are curious. So all that is down there. The theme for August is Wanderlust. Recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with manis. Try techniques that soothe your skin and your mind. Your greatest adventure starts with you. So these products are supposed to inspire new beauty adventures, create looks inspired by your favorite destinations, channel cozy staycation vibes, and more. I'm excited. I like the theme of this. I love the leaves and everything, you know? So let's go ahead and dive in. We are going to start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. This little guy is $12 a month. You are able to choose one product in here yourself, and these bags include 5 beauty samples every month. Some of the samples do end up being full size. Most of them are sample sized, but the full size ones are really nice to get sometimes. The bag itself this month is like this faux snakeskin type bag. I don't love it. I'm not a big fan of these like envelope closure bags. This green is really pretty, but overall, like, this is not my favorite bag that they've done. It's still cute. I feel like they just have come out with many more cuter bags. This one doesn't excite me as much as the other ones in the past have. But let's go ahead and take a look to see what the products inside are. The first product, ooh, this is from Milk Makeup. This is the Lip and Cheek in Werk. I have used, I think a couple of these before. It's literally like a little stick. If you're familiar with Milk Makeup, then you know their iconic packaging. This packaging and I have not the greatest history together. I just feel like it could have been done a little bit better. But these little lip and cheek products are probably the most well done in this packaging. So this is the shade Werk. Oh, that's really pretty. I feel like that would be really pretty as a lip shade, really pretty as a cheek shade, and definitely something that you could kind of blend out or build up if you wanted to. That I like and will obviously get use out of, because this type of product is right up my alley. So I do like Milk Makeup. A lot of these like stick products though just don't ever really work out for me a whole lot, but something like this does. And I feel like if you aren't familiar with like the Milk Makeup brand, this is a really good way to kind of dip your toes into the milk waters. You know what I mean? That sounded so weird. You know what I mean? Okay, this is a good kind of starting off point, because this is what a lot of their company and what a lot of their branding has been based around, is this structure for products. So as far as kind of discovering new things, I think this is a really good way to discover the brand, and I'm pretty sure that that's how I originally discovered Milk too. The second product in here, this is from the Balm. I have raved about the Balm in the past. This is the Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow. Oh, okay. This is in the shade Bellini. This is a good size too. It's 0.06 fluid ounces, but for like a liquid eyeshadow, that's like a decent amount. It's got a nice doe foot applicator. Ooh, that is so pretty. You guys, that's really nice. That's like a nude pink with some glitter shimmer that gives you kind of this shift. I really like that actually. That's stunning. And I feel like this would be so pretty as an eyeshadow. I like this because I feel like cream shadows aren't something that we normally see a lot of. This is a liquid eyeshadow, but it's kind of the same family, right? And I feel like that's something we don't normally see a lot of in subscription boxes. And I'd like to see more, because they're always so much fun to use, that you can use them in such a large amount of different ways. And I feel like if we can kind of get more fun products like this in bags, it would just make it a little bit more exciting. The basics are nice, but I like the fun, you know? Product number 3, this is from 111 Skin. 111 Skin is a super bougie, way ridiculously overpriced skincare brand, but their products are phenomenal. This is the Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. Okay, this is a ½ ounce. I love 111 Skin, okay? I really do. But their products are so expensive, and this is a brand where I feel like as far as expense goes, I have an easier time justifying things to myself, and I'm willing to pay for the quality that I like. I don't like to to pay for the quality that I like, but I'm willing to, you know, if it's necessary. 111 Skin is one of those brands that is so expensive that I'm just like, absolutely not. I don't care. I don't care. So I'm looking at the price for the full size of this. For 1.7 fluid ounces of this product, and we have a half of an ounce here, it is $280. I will be using this very soon, obviously, so let's go ahead and just see how the tiniest amount feels on the back of my hand. Ooh, it's very nice. It's like one of those cloud creams, right? Because it's thick, but it's like nice and light and fluffy at the same time. My skin feels so good. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. You get sucked in because the product is so good, but I will never in my life spend $280 on 1.7 fluid ounces of moisturizer. I won't do it. I won't. If I can get it on sale, we'd talk about it, but probably not, because that's insane. Like, that is crazy, crazy talk. Oh, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna use this up soon, and I will give you guys a full review when I do. Just keep an eye out for those shop your sample videos. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them. Next, this is from Verso. This is a facial cleanser for daily use. It's 0.85 fluid ounces. It's a gentle facial cleanser, so that's nice. I think I've tried a few like Verso products here and there. I like the packaging of this. I really like this type of tube packaging because I feel like it's a lot easier to get all the product out of the tube because this is kind of one of those like crinkly ones. So I do like that, and obviously any type of gentle facial cleanser most people can use, even if you have a sensitive skin, because they're typically formulated for that. And so I feel like that's a really nice inclusion in the bag because it's something that a lot of people can get a lot of use out of, and everybody needs face wash. And then the last item in this bag, this is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. Oh, cool. This is a brightening and firming mask. I've actually been wanting to try this. I have the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This one is made for eyes though. It's 0.17 fluid ounces. This is like the tiniest thing. That is what the product looks like. It's literally so tiny. Like, that's my nails compared to the actual container. I'm really excited about this though. I like retinol products, and I really like the Glow Recipe brand. I've tried a lot of really nice things from them. And like I said, I have the regular sleeping mask of this, but I've been wanting to try the eye one. So that is excellent. And that's a good inclusion in this bag. So all in all, okay, we have the eye sleeping mask with retinol, a liquid eyeshadow, a ridiculously expensive moisturizer, an everyday face cleanser, and then a lip and cheek tint. Now this, like I said, was gifted to me, but this type of bag would retail for $12 if you were to purchase, you know, the Ipsy subscription. This is an example of like a bag that you could get, and you do get to choose one of your products in each bag. So overall, I definitely think it was worth it because I feel like in this bag we got a good mix, a good variety of things, some kind of more affordable brands, some more expensive brands, but all things that I feel like a good portion of people would be able to use without, you know, stepping super far outside of their comfort zone. My comfort zone tends to be a little bit wider. I like bright colors and things like that, and I always like trying new things. But even something like this, I will get so much use out of. But I feel like even if you are someone who you like the neutral, natural, kind of everyday, more natural looking makeup, I guess, I feel like this is definitely a bag that would work for you. So this month was a total hit, and I do recommend this one. Moving on, let's go ahead and talk about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. It includes 5 full-size beauty products, and you get to pick 3 of them if you purchase your subscription. When I had my subscription before Ipsy started sending it to me, picking 3 products every month was seriously one of my highlights of subscription boxes, and I loved how just customized and everything it was. So the bag this month, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus tends to come in like these drawstring bags, which I like because they can be nice. This month, I don't love this. I don't like the bags as much this month as I normally do. I normally really enjoy them, and this, I'm just not feeling it. It's not my style this month. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the bag. The first thing in here, this is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara in black. Okay, you guys, this is an older mascara. It comes in this iconic, oh, it's glittery. It didn't used to be glittery. Comes in this iconic packaging though. Definitely one of, I think, one of the OG mascaras that they still make, right? this has been around for so long, and it is a good mascara. It's not my favorite mascara, but like I wouldn't run out and like stock up if I found out it was being discontinued. But I always like having some, you know, like I'm not like, it's one of those ones where like if it's in my stash, I'll definitely use it and I will enjoy using it. And it's a good, just basic mascara. I like it. It's nothing too crazy, but it's a good, just everyday basic. I feel like we're kind of just going for like a basic theme this month, which is interesting because the theme is Wanderlust. Next in here, this is from CONRAD. She has her own makeup line now. This is the eyeliner. Cruelty-free, recyclable, clean beauty, safe for contact lens wearers. Okay, this is in the shade Onyx, which is black. Nice packaging, I will say. This is very simple, sleek packaging. I like that. I had no idea that CONRAD had her own beauty brand. Oh, and it's a liquid liner. Oh, I do like liquid liners. Oh, that's a nice tip, y'all. Can you guys see that? That tip is like really, okay, so just doing these swatches on the back of my hand, the tip is moving, and it's kind of like smushing, so even the swatches aren't really coming out smooth, which makes me really concerned. And there's like no pigment in here. See, like using the tip of it, which I feel like is what most people would do, you know, as they start doing their eyeliner, is getting me literally nothing. That's using the whole thing. But you'd want, first of all, a darker line than that. And second of all, that is such a choppy line. And I think it's because the brush keeps moving. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with this. I think I'm gonna try to keep it upside down for a little bit and see if that helps anything, but I don't like that so far. I was really excited when I saw this makeup brand. I don't know how I feel about that one. We'll have to see if we can get it to work. Next, this is the Murad Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. Oh, I love Murad. Definitely a really good skincare brand, especially if you do have sensitive skin, because they make some amazing products for sensitive skin. This is one of their serums. I have actually used this one before, and I have like completely used it and I really enjoyed it. I've tried a few of their serums and I've liked all of them, but this one is really good just for the gentleness of it all. So that's really exciting to me because I'll always take more serums because I have a problem. But again, I feel like that's something that almost everybody can use because it's a basic part of a skincare routine. Next, this is the Douche Posh Powder Palette. Oh, you guys, this brand pops up sometimes and I've never... the products are always so pretty, but they always end up being decluttered later on. Like I don't know. This has 6 powders in it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is not an eyeshadow palette. This is a face palette. Okay, face palettes tend to have a little bit more luck with me. And honestly, I like this. That's really pretty. That is not at all what I was expecting. I feel like their eyeshadow palettes, I always really like them when I first see them, but then I just never reach for them because the packaging is very plain. Luckily I have a lot of face palettes that look like this though, you know, but then there's something about face palettes that just lures me in. Oh, let's see this highlight. Oh, that's pretty. And then we'll try this blush. That's pretty. Okay. All right, so please forgive me. Yeah, I'll definitely be trying out this palette because that looks gorgeous. And I much prefer this over one of their eyeshadow palettes because their eyeshadow palettes, I don't know, I can never get very into, you know. But again, if we're looking at, you know, if this box is worth it, I think this is great because you've got 3 highlights and then 3 blushes, and that's a really good way to kind of jumpstart your collection if that's what you're looking for. Some new shades to work into your collection if that's what you're looking for. The last product in this bag, oh, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. Oh my god, I have heard so much about these. I'll be honest with you, they aren't the best. When these first came out, they were on my wish list, and I never ended up buying any because I had heard not the greatest things about them, but I've always wanted to try one. So this is the Watermelon Lip Pop. It's so cute. Very nostalgic packaging that I love, and then it twists up and it's just a lip balm. The actual lip balm itself is like pink. If you guys have smelled other products from their watermelon line, that like Jolly Rancher watermelon scent that they all have, that's what this smells like. Oh, that's fabulous. Does it have a tint to it? I honestly don't know. I think this is one of those, like, it's got like a light tint, or it's like a pH balancing thing or whatnot. There is like a small tint where I put it on right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's very light. I love that. I love lip balms. And I think the packaging is what a lot of the bad reviews were about on this, because I think it kept breaking off. But I'm really excited to try it because I've been wanting to try it like literally since these came out. Okay, let's take a quick look back at this eyeliner again. I've had it sitting up. Let's see if anything's changed. See, the issue is that when I use the brush, when I use the tip, it diverts into two, like a snake's tongue, right? Was that a snake? Y'all know what I mean. But it diverts into two, and then you've got these two lines on each side, one being very opaque, one being meh, and then the inside is just like really patchy. I don't think this is gonna work out for me. I'm gonna see if I can make it work. I'm gonna try it at least once because y'all know me, but at the end of the day, I don't think this one's going to work out very well. I'm gonna have to look online and see if anybody else had that same issue with theirs, because I wonder if that's just like a manufacturing issue and just like they used the wrong type of brush, or if that's just like I got a dud type thing. So we'll have to see. But Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month, we got an eyeliner, meh. We got a tried and true trusty mascara, a really nice serum, a lip balm, and then a really pretty face palette. So all in all, I did like this bag. I feel like it would be even better if the eyeliner was a little bit better quality. But overall, it's a good bag. And I do enjoy the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because it is 5 full-size products for $25. You get to pick 3 of them. The value is always there. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is one of my favorite bags. So I do definitely like that. I don't love the bag this month as much as I normally do. There's a lot of times that I am just completely blown away by the bags. This bag, not as much. I do like it, don't get me wrong, but I feel like this is definitely not their best month. And with subscription boxes, that does happen sometimes, so I'm not super upset about it. Even if I had paid for these, I never really got upset about it because that's kind of the risk that you're taking. Sometimes the products just aren't gonna work for you, but that's half the fun of it. If I can't make this work for me, then I know I probably don't want to purchase that in the future, and this is just a much more affordable way for me to learn that lesson, in my opinion, instead of going out and paying full price for that, because I can pretty much guarantee that's between like $18 and $25 if you were to go out and purchase it yourself. Does that make sense? In my head it does, maybe. Okay, so those are my Ipsy bags for this month. What did you guys get in your Ipsy bags? Anything similar? If you guys got this Lauren Conrad eyeliner, did you have the same issue as me? I'm gonna have to do some research on that, and I will try to update you guys somewhere. So let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Goodbye.